Hi, great morning. Myself Shraddha Singh. Dear Daddy, I have learned so much from you. You taught me how to be strong and kind. You always make me feel special. I am grateful that I have you as my father. डगमग करते कदमों को तुमने चलना सिखाया. उंगली पकड़कर मेरी तुमने आगे बढ़ना सिखाया. सुबह मेरे उठने से पहले चले जाते, मेरे सो जाने के बाद घर आते. दिन रात काम करके सारे जहां की खुशियां घर लेकर आते. जो पिता है मेरे. आज भी मेरी फरमाइशें कम नहीं होती. आज भी मेरी फरमाइशें कम नहीं होती. तंगी के वक्त में भी पापा की आंखें कभी नम नहीं होती. थैंक यू.
Hi, myself Sangeeta, and I'm going to recite a poem on my father. My universe, my papa. You are the one who sleeps last after everyone. You are the one who blush and give me the thing I want when I call you handsome. You are the one who tried to fulfill all my wishes, and you did. You never studied after 5th, but you always taught me how important education is. You got more happy and proud of me after looking at my grades. You are my first teacher because you taught me the thing which school never. Whenever you leave for the job, there is always a fear in my heart about your safety, about your return. You are the fighter. I may never show you my concern or tell you that you are the best father, but you are. You are my first and last love. I often fight with you or talk to you rudely, but you never get hurt. I may not be the best daughter, but you have always been the best father. Thank you.
Great morning everyone. My name is Smruti Pradhan. Today I am going to say a poem about my dad. My happy world, my dad. Dad, you are my superhero, cause you never show your problem but always have solution of my problems. You are the most intelligent person, though you have never gone to school but always taught me life lessons. You are the perfect man who cannot fulfill your dreams, but you always try to fulfill all my dreams. You are very emotional person, cause whenever you scold me, you have cried more than me in solitude. You are most powerful person, cause whenever you refuse to give me something, you got more hurt than me, but you never show. Dad, you are most amazing, special and terrific father. Thank you so much for everything.
Great morning everyone. Myself Kalyani Jha, and my poem name is Hero or Zero. When everyone ran after the fame, he ran after me. In sun rays, when I am playing game, he made himself a tree to protect me. Sometimes my father is tired, but he cannot be fired. Father comes home late. He remembers all important dates. Early morning he wakes, all family burden he takes. Sometimes he cooks, takes us places where we look. He's pretty sure a gentleman. My father, never complains. The wishes I draw, he only paints. For me, in my feeling, he always stops. Whenever I hurt best dad, he always pops. He is weakened by his age, but he's still the lion of his cage. Father can't be described in lines, that's why he always shines. Any poem can't decide my father's pride, because he got the best pride. My father is my hero. He has more worth than any other superhero. Any number can't be big without zero. That's why I am incomplete without my hero, my father. Thank you very much. Great morning everyone. Myself Kalyani Jha, and my poem name is Hero or Zero. When everyone ran after the fame, he ran after me. In sun rays, when I am playing game, he made himself a tree to protect me. Sometimes my father is tired, but he cannot be fired. Father comes home late. He remembers all important dates. Early morning he wakes, all family burden he takes. Sometimes he cooks, takes us places where we look. He's pretty sure a gentleman. My father, never complains. The wishes I draw, he only paints. For me, in my feeling, he always stops. Whenever I hurt Best Dad, he always pops. He is weakened by his age, but he's still the lion of his cage. Father can't be described in lines, that's why he always shines. Any poem can't decide my father's pride, because he got the best pride. My father is my hero. He has more worth than any other superhero. Any number can't be big without zero. That's why I am incomplete without my hero, my father. Thank you very much.
Great morning. Myself Sarita Yadav. Today I am going to say a poem about my father. Hey people, whom do you have as your special one? Without him, you are no one. I can say that I have one. From him, my life is on. He is my dad, my personal Doraemon. He has a pocket full of gadgets. His gadgets are always satisfying. He uses them all cause he can't see me crying. My Doraemon, my dad, has all the solutions to all my confusions. He is always ready to help me in certain, not even expecting things in return. As that Doraemon is scared from mice, my Doraemon is scared from my cries. A little bit of buttering and a little bit of praises, he removes something from his pocket which solves all my cases. My Doraemon also has his Michan. Without her, his life is like an empty can. Yes, you are right, it's my mom. He loves her in any form. I pray to God every day to let my Doraemon a long stay. Because of him, my life is on. I love my dad, my personal Doraemon. Thank you.
Great morning, myself Khushi Gupta. This poem about my father, my soldier. Along with the sun, my dad rises too. He runs toward the boring office. There he fights like a soldier, sometime with himself, sometime with others. Slowly the temperature become cool, but he sweat like rain in desert. Done with his tired work and he is way to the home. Next day he again forces him to blooms like flower and follow the same. Thank you.
Hello everyone, great morning. Myself Yogita Awar and I am here going to tell about my father. He is disciplined, caring, motivating and hardworking. Simple, strict and well-driven. He never looks for praises, he never wants to go. Facing always hardship, standing against all the odds, I was brought up in a cradle which was filled with happiness by my father. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Tabitha Chiramena. Great morning. I am here to tell about my father. ना ही जिक्र करते हैं, ना ही अपनी तकलीफ जताया करते हैं, बस रात दिन मेहनत करके पूरे परिवार का पेट भरते हैं। गलती होने पर थोड़ा सुना देते हैं, पर कुछ ही पल में वापस प्यार भी कर लेते हैं। क्या बताऊँ अब पापा के बारे में, इंसान के रूप में खुद भगवान बनके हमारे दिल में छाए रहते हैं। ऊपर वाले से यही दुआ है, ऊपर वाले से यही एक दुआ है कि पापा को जिंदगी भर की खुशी दे सकूं। थैंक यू।
ग्रेट मॉर्निंग। हेलो, माई सेल्फ अंजलि चौहान। ऐसे थे मेरे पापा, जिसने मुझे चलना सिखाया, खुद ना खाकर मुझे खिलाया, दोस्त की तरह हमेशा समझाया, गलती होने पर मुझे चिल्लाया। ऐसे थे मेरे पापा कि ऐसे थे मेरे पापा, कभी अपना दुख न बताया, मेरे ऊपर से सारी मुश्किलों को हटाया, कभी कुछ ना जताया। ऐसे थे मेरे पापा, भले ही आज साथ नहीं पर कोई बात नहीं, बहुत कुछ सिखा के गए हैं, जिंदगी को कैसे जीना है ये बता के गए हैं। थैंक यू।
Great morning, my name is Jane. This poem I dedicated to my father. My strong man. I see a strong man, not in my gym, but in my house. He lifts my burden like a ego lifter, but I never see him getting into failure. Gym trainer give me a tips to how to build a body. My strong man helped me to build my success story. Thank you.
Hi, great morning. I'm Yash. Thank you, Dad. Whenever I have problem, you are there for me. Your wisdom and knowledge have always shown me the way, and I'm thankful for you as I live day by day. I don't tell you enough how important you are. I pray to God that will have you till my last breath. Thank you.
Good morning, myself Aditya Pujari. This poem is for my father. Father, father, how did you do it? All those time I surely blew it. You keep your temper when I lost mine. You somehow got me back in line. I'm so happy that you cared so much. You show amazing and unconditional love. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am Hardik Sharma. I will deliver a short poem on my father. Father, Dad or Papa, names are short but works are large. He is the one who supports in my life. He smiles when I smile. I got lost in his smile, but behind it there are lots of painful minds. He works in higher sunlight, his clothes get wet because of the sweat. He fulfills all my desire, irrespective of his own. He always stands for me like a big pillar, he is my life mirror. Without him I can't live, he is my strongest belief. I never feel lonely or sad because I know there is always my dad. Thank you.
Hi, myself Ashish Vishwakarma, and this is a poem about my father. My father wake up early morning every day, and he is a person in a family who go on a bed too late. It's not his hobby or like, it is unwilling duty that he have to perform from break of a day till night. All he do to keep the family survive. My father do hard work and take stress every day, and he is a person who come late at home with a simple smile on his face. It is not his hobby or like, all he do to keep family stressless and survive. Thank you.
Great morning all of you. My name is Rohit Jeswar. This poem dedicated to my father. I love you because you are my father, but you are really so much more. You are a guide and a companion to me. You and I have a great support. You pay attention to me. You listen what I say. You pass on words of wisdom, helping me along the way. Whenever I am in trouble, you always help to me. You are the perfect. I am your biggest fan. Thank you.
ग्रेट मॉर्निंग। मेरा नाम सचिन कुमार महतो है। पिता एक उम्मीद है, एक आस है। पिता एक उम्मीद है, एक आस है। परिवार की हिम्मत और विश्वास है। बाहर से सख्त और अंदर से नरम है। बाहर से सख्त और अंदर से नरम है। उसके दिल में दफन कई मरहम है। पिता संघर्ष की आंधियों में हौसलों की दीवार है। पिता संघर्ष की आंधियों में हौसलों की दीवार है। परेशानियों से लड़ने के दो धारी तलवार है। बचपन में खुश करने वाला बिछौना है। बचपन में खुश करने वाला बिछौना है। पिता जिम्मेदारियों से लदी गाड़ी का सारथी है। सबको बराबर का हक दिलाता एक महारथी है। सपनों को पूरा करने में लगने वाली जान है। इसी में तो माँ और बच्चों की पहचान है। इसी में तो माँ बच्चों की पहचान है। पिता जमीर है, पिता जागीर है। धन्यवाद।